วัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Banana Thai, and today is a very special occasion as I'm wearing a Thai traditional dress because Banana Thai Page just reached 9,000 likes. So I would like to thank you ขอบคุณนะคะ Thank you for everyone that support me and Banana Thai Page. I promise that I will keep up a good work and keep teaching you fun Thai. And just a bonus, I would like to teach you how to say thank you for. If you want to say thank you, you already know. Thank you in Thai language is ขอบคุณนะ ขอบคุณ is thank you. And if you want to say thank you for, what would you say? Thank you for in Thai language is ขอบคุณสำหรับ as the word สำหรับ in this case mean for. For example ขอบคุณสำหรับของขวัญ Thank you for the gift. ขอบคุณสำหรับเวลาดีๆ Thank you for good time. And ขอบคุณสำหรับ 9,000 like. Thank you for the 9,000 likes on Banana Thai. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick lesson and I hope that you could celebrate together with me. For today, I have to go now. See me in the next video. Bye!